let's make a Bengali bread, Loo-Chee. Same as puri, but there's a difference. Don't waste time. Let's move on to a video. Joss Moses Kitchen.
We can make 10 Loo-Chee out of it. We need 200 grams flour, 4 grams of salt, 10 grams of sugar, fennel seed, crushed 1 teaspoon. Combine well. Make a well at the center. Add 15 grams of oil. Combine well. Make sure you combine it well. It will form into a shortcut pastry dough. We need 110 grams of water. Pour the water over the dough. Combine well, knead well, and make a smooth dough. We must knead at least 10 minutes. Drizzle some oil onto a bowl. Place the dough on the bowl. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, make 40 grams balls. Make a ball like this by pushing at the back. We can get 10 balls out of it. Drizzle some oil and press the dough. Using a rolling pin, roll it out into 3 to 4 inch diameter disc. Onto a hot oil, place the dough. Press it with a spoon. Make sure you press it hard. Then it starts fluffy. Flip it around, cook it out. No need to color. It will be bubble like this. It won't get any color like puri, but it is so crispy, so tasty, and fry all the Luchis like that bubbles. We can enjoy with the Dahi style green peas curry. Visit my channel for the
Roti
recipe.
bread. When you're thinking, what is a half? I already started eating because it's so yummy. Let's taste it. I'm trying today with the green peas curry, the Dahi style. If you like this, please visit my channel. Let's try now. Nice crisp outside, very flavorful and very tasty. So how you eat? Enjoy and eat. If you enjoy and eat, please support me by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen.